started down this path because we stumbled really badly in the marketplace when the economy tumbled. Our revenue fell almost $40 million in 1 year, over 30% from 2008 into 2009. So it was the huge wake-up call that said, you know, we'd better come up with something here to protect our ongoing viability and survival as a company. You know, I always thought we were relatively fast product development folks. 2 years was our average life cycle. And if you think about our types of products, you know, they have the potential to injure and maim. So you certainly want engineers thinking about them for a while and working on them. But 2 years was a relatively fast cycle for a company our size. We have begun to drive down fear and risk and increase speed dramatically. We're down to 6 months now. We just launched a new wood splitter line that literally went from concept, and I'll talk about the concept in a minute, to the marketplace in 6 months. And with an amazing, it's going to contribute 10% revenue growth just all by itself for us as a company this year. And we now have more in our product development pipeline than at any time in our 25-year history. A goal this year to do 48 what are called experiments, really early-stage product ideas, take 24 of them into a learning cycle. And these learning cycles only last 4 to 8 weeks at the most. They're very, very fast. So it forces you to either say yes, no, or move on and put that idea aside. So people can't labor forever and ever and ever working on a concept. So that helps tremendously. We're going to take 12 of those to a market test, and we expect about 2/3 of those market tests to fail. We expect them to fail. In fact, if we're not failing at that rate, chances are we're not pushing the envelope far enough to find innovation. But 3 winners for us in a year is about a 200 to 300% increase in the number of winners we had historically. So, my feeling within our organization is we are getting everyone to love failing, because failing means that we're engaging in all the right behaviors that are going to lead us to succeed, and that ultimately we're going to have far more success by going through this approach than we ever had in the past.